be here, to be honest. I do have like a weird attraction because I grew up with kind of a Croatian household. So it feels good to give back here of all places. And it was only recently, thanks to these guys that are running this organization, that I found out that there's such a huge scene of dancers right in my motherland, you know. So it's an honor to be here. I'm blessed. I'm blessed to get to witness all this talent, and yeah, it's just an honor. And I hope that all of you guys continue to support and help grow the scene here, because there's some talent that really deserves to be seen elsewhere.